The gigantic machines at your plant come to a screeching halt. In fact, your entire operations come to a standstill. When you probe, you realize that it's not just your operations, but the entire city is groping in darkness. You are at pains to know that the situation is going to remain the same for over an hour. The power men tell you that a huge transformer somewhere has stopped working. How many times has this happened to you? Rare, right? So rare that you often forget that the transformer, standing tall, steady, is such an essential part of the entire power distribution system. To stop such unplanned power cuts is our mission.
At Telone, the culture is not only manufacturing product for sale. The goal here is to build a trustworthy transformer which can power permanent relationship with our customer.
It is our firm belief that the planning is crucial to produce adequate quality of transformer in time.
At Telone, our focus is making a reliable transformer which is totally trouble-free rather than taking a pride in just a great design.
Men, women at Telone work tirelessly with dedication and diligence. I think it's worthwhile. It pays off in the long run to get outstanding performance.
Telavne, empowering generations. Over 100 men and women work at Telavne with one vision: to keep electricity flowing 24 hours, every second, every day. With this one belief in mind, Telavne entered the Indian and international market in 1988 and started its first production of transformers the same year. For nearly 3 decades since then, Telavne has pioneered numerous advancements in designing, technology, manufacturing and engineering. The production of transformers begins with designing. With the help of advanced software, exclusively customized designs are made catering to our clients' needs. Once the design is frozen, the process to procure the required raw material begins. Raw material plan is synchronized with the production plan to meet customer delivery commitments. After the receipt of materials, there is a meticulous quality inspection, after which it goes on to the production stage. The revolutionary winding and core building process, powered by foil winding, spiral winding machines, helical winding machines, brings out robust, efficient coils along with a stringent quality inspection. After this, the skilled laborers carry out the process of assembling the products under the supervision of one of the finest production engineering team in the industry. The entire core coil assembly of oil-cooled transformer is kept in a vacuum drying oven for extraction of the moisture from insulation, after which it is placed in a tank. For dry-type VPI transformers, each coil is vacuum impregnated with drying process, and cast resin coils are capsuled with resin in vacuum chamber. Then, core coil assembly of dry type is placed in enclosure, which are constructed according to IP or protective class as required. A fully automated testing system and simulator-driven testing conditions deliver a high-quality product that give Telavne an edge over its competitors. Excellent infrastructures and calibrated testing instruments are available for all routine tests. Once the testing is done, our transformer is ready for final shipment. Telavne confidently guarantees best-in-class transformers to its clientele spread across the globe. as each stage of its manufacturing sees a stringent quality check before going forwards.
Telavane has successfully type tested various rating transformers from NABL labs such as CPRI, ERDA. Telavane has also got international certification from ESTA and SGS. We have been supplying transformers to various countries, and the testimonials received from various customers has been our pride. There are two strong pillars for success of Telavane. One is our employees and definitely clients like you. In coming future, we assure you consistent product quality and services. Thanks for your support.
Telavane thus offers unique and innovative solutions to all its clients locally and internationally. Members of staff from different departments form the bedrock of Telavane's success by challenging the current limits of technology.
Success of any organization depends upon the system it follows, regardless of any restrictions. At Telavane, systems are aligned with each and every person who is a part of it. Team Telavane is bonded over with only one vision, that is delivering quality work with excellence forever.
Only a company that masters its technology can transfer it to different sectors such as government or semi-government undertakings, real estate, refineries, sugar, steel, renewable energy, power sector and automobile industries. Telavane boasts of a prompt service and product delivery. Our products can be delivered anywhere just in time. Many industries in various countries are enjoying our exceptional supplies and support. Our reputation, which has been built on our strong heritage, our love for innovation, has brought us several awards and accolades. We are united by a clear strategy, shared values, and a common vision to become the global leader in brands and technology. Excellence is our passion. Telavane, empowering generations.